The investigation of truck accidents is a meticulous process aimed at determining the cause of the incident and assigning responsibility. Due to the size and potential severity of these accidents, a thorough and systematic approach is crucial. The initial phase often begins with law enforcement officers securing the scene to prevent further incidents and preserve evidence. This involves scene documentation, detailed recording of the accident scene, including the positions of the vehicles, debris fields, road conditions, and any relevant environmental factors. This often involves photography, videography, and the creation of detailed diagrams. Witness interviews, gathering accounts from all available witnesses, including drivers, passengers, and bystanders. These statements can provide crucial insights into the events leading up to the crash. Driver examination, assessing the truck drivers involved for any signs of impairment, e.g., alcohol, drugs, fatigue, or medical conditions that may have contributed to the accident. This can involve field sobriety tests, breathalyzer tests, and blood or urine samples. Following the initial on-scene investigation, a more in-depth examination often takes place, involving specialists. Vehicle inspection. Qualified mechanics or accident reconstruction specialists meticulously inspect the involved trucks for any mechanical defects that may have been a factor. This includes examining brakes, tires, steering systems, lights, and other critical components. Data from the truck's event data recorder, EDR, often referred to as a black box, may also be downloaded and analyzed to provide information on speed, braking, and other parameters prior to the collision. Accident reconstruction. Experts use the collected data, including physical evidence and witness statements, along with principles of physics and engineering, to recreate the sequence of events leading to the accident. This can help determine factors such as speed, angles of impact, and the actions of each driver. Review of driver records and regulations. Investigators will examine the truck driver's logbooks, driving history, training records, and compliance with federal and state trucking regulations. This helps determine if violations of safety rules played a role in the accident. A tip for viewers: if you are ever involved in or witness a truck accident, your immediate safety is paramount. After ensuring your well-being and contacting emergency services, try to document as much as you safely can at the scene. This includes taking photos or videos, noting the time and location, and gathering contact information from any witnesses. This information can be invaluable to investigators later on.